Morning students, welcome back to online classes. I am Chaitra and I am the new faculty for the business studies. And I think all of you first PUC, right? Yes, you are the first PUC. And already ma'am explained two chapters, right? Two chapters with this third chapter they are started. I will continue this chapter, okay? Private, public and global enterprises. Already ma'am explained this one private and what you mean private, what is the public and what is the global enterprises. Yes or no? Yes, they explained. In Indian economy, okay, in Indian economy, the private, public and global enterprises, three types of the enterprises in there and our India. Yes, now our India it is mixed economy. I think all of you know this one, right? That's why it is private, public and global enterprises. And see here, Indian economy, and then two types is there. What is that? Public sector and private sector. Public sector and private sector. And now we are learning. What we are learning here means public sector. Public sector types. What are the three types here means here? First one it is. What is first one it is? My dears. See, it is statutory. Departmental undertaking and statutory corporation, and third one is government companies. This is three types of the public sector. Okay, I think all of you know already explained departmental undertaking, statutory corporation. But now we are going to see what's the government company. After that we will move to the private sectors. Okay students, next we will move to the private sectors. After finishing this government company, next we will move to the private sector. Okay, this is the one type of the public sector. Government companies means this is one type of the public sector. Government companies means it is the company, a state. Okay, a state hold the 51% are more than paid up capital. More than paid up capital means it is more than 51% if it is their shares in that company. The government if they will invest the capital 51% means that is government company. Okay, the state government if they will invest the 51% of capital means that is government company. 51% or more than 51%, the government if they will invest the capital means that is government companies. The government company if they will invest more than 51%, that company should be the government companies. If they will invest less than this, that is private company. Okay, more than the 51% or more than then the capital they will invest means that is government company. And the government company is easy to form. How means government only forming means who will tell what's happening? Means here government only rules, government is the regulations, governments have principles, they will follow. Okay, and the government companies establishing it is very easy. Why means it is there is no permissions, there is no license, because the government only establishing company, right? That's why here there is no permission here. There is no rules and regulations. The government company which is established according to the Company Act. Company Act 2013 Section 2 and 45. According to this act, the government companies will introduce. Okay, will establish according to the which act it is? Company Act 2013. Company Act 2013. Okay, and we will see next it is. Next it is paid-up capital. Paid-up capital means example we will see 1 lakh it is capital. 1 lakh it is capital. 51% means how much it is? 51,000. 51% means it is how much it is? 51,000. Means in 1 lakh shares the government share it is 51 or more than. More than 51,000 means the government if they will pay capital more than 51,000 means that is government company. Less than 51,000 means it is what it is? What means it is private sector. More than 51,000 means in 1 lakh. More than 51,000 means it is government. Less than 51,000 means it is private sectors. Private sector. This is the difference between the public sector and private sector. Okay, we will see what are the government company, what is the government company, and what are the features, what are the advantages, and what are the disadvantages. We will see now. Okay, and okay, we will see what is the meaning. The government companies means it is the government companies means state or central government holds the 51% or more than 51% or more than paid up capital. Paid up capital is called as government company. Government company is a company which is state or central government holds the 51% of the paid up capital. The government, state government or central government, they will invest the capital 51%. If it is less than the 51%, the government will invest means that is public, not a Okay, and we will see what are the examples means for that. I think everyone know this means Bescom, Bemel, and Bescom, Bemel and Coal India Limited and Hindustan and Hindustan Copper Limited and Steel Limited. These are all the government companies. Steel, copper means the government company means I think all of you Bemel. I think all of you heard this word. Yes, Bemel, Coal India Limited and Hindustan Copper Limited, Hindustan Steel Limited. These are all the examples for the government company. Okay, government company it is easy to form. I think it is easy to form. The government company according to which section it is? Company 2013. The government company will establish 2013. Mind this man. Okay, 2013 the company act. Based on that, the government companies will follow the rules, regulations, responsibilities here. Okay, and next we will see what are the features of the government company. I think everyone know what's the features. Means in meaning only is there all features. Let me check what are the features and what is the importance and what are the advantages. See here. Features of global companies. Global companies, it is established under the Company Act. What's the Company Act here? 2013 Section 245. According to this act, the company established means it is established under the Company Act 2013. Yes, the Company Act only introducing this government companies. According to this act, the government company will do all the work here. Means the Company Act, they will favor some principles, rules, regulations. Okay, they will favor. Based on that, the government company, they will do the work. They have to follow all the rules, all the regulations. Means Company Act, they will give rules and regulations for the government companies. Based on that, the government companies will run the business effectively. Okay, and next one it is present in the parliament. Should present in the parliament. First is the annual report. When the company will prepare the annual report here, annual report for every year ending, the annual report will prepare in every organization. If it is public sector or private sector, every organization, each and every organization, each and every company, they have to prepare annual report for every year ending. I think all of you know year ending is first starting. It is what it is. Year starting means it is 1/4/2019. It is starting. I think in accountancy we will learn this one. We are starting this one. Year ending means it is 31/3/2020. This is starting, this is ending. Starting, this is the ending. So that's why it is they have to submit. When they have to submit annual report means year ending. In year ending, they have to submit the annual report to the parliament. Who will check means the president. If they want to purchase any machinery plant means they will take the plant and machinery parliament president name, with the name they will take. Okay, 1/4/2021 is starting, this is ending. Means before that they have to submit the annual report here. Annual report means it should be prepared year ending for the purpose of to know the what's the profit, what's the loss in our organization. If it is loss means they will give us some suggestions, some tips to do the work effectively. If it is profit means they will encourage the people to do the work effectively and efficiently. They will give encouragement here. Means based on always the annual report should tell what's the if it is getting profit or not. Who will prepare annual report means here chartered accountant, CA. Who did CA? That person will do the annual report. In every year, the government will appoint the one chartered accountant for the purpose of to know the what's the annual report. If it is getting profit or loss, what's the problem? Everything they will review. Okay. And next one it is the capital wholly or partly provided, wholly or partly provided by the government here. The capital wholly or partly provided by the government. If it is whole capital, example I Next one we will see the managing the company. The company managed by the directors. Managed by the directors. Okay. Managed by the directors means the company who will manage this director. And here the government will appoint the director. How they will appoint means they will take the professional employees. They will take the professionals. Example means it is professional means already they work. Example doctor, engineer, and Air Force. They will work means like the professional employees they will take, and after that they will give the director job. They maintain the companies. They will maintain the companies. Otherwise, if they will not, they don't have the chance means they will take another option. Which option is voting? Voting means voting. In organization, they will give the voting power, and who will get more highest? He is the director of the organization. Like that, they will announce and they will give the voting power. Otherwise, they will select the professionals. Like that, they will do for appointment of the directors in that organization. Okay, means it is company always managed by the director. How they will select means they will select the professional employees. Otherwise, they will give the voting power to the employees, and who will get more majority votes means he is becoming director of the organization. Okay, I think in Polar Dairy is there, no? In Polar Dairy, same like that only they will do. Which method they will follow means here, government dairy is there, no? That is voting. For every 5 years, the chairperson will change. Only 5 years they will give the rights to do the work. After 5 years, again they have to vote, and again they have to do the work like that. In dairy they will do voting. Okay, some organization they will do directly they will select the professionals. Some organizations they will do voting power. Okay, and next one it is next one it is the accounting and auditing practices, maybe like those private enterprises and audited enterprises. Means they will appoint the chartered accountant for the purpose of auditing process or auditing practices. Okay, accounting and auditing process, private sectors, private enterprises will do here. Here accounting and auditing process. Okay, accounting and auditing process. Who will do here? Private sectors. Private sectors will do. Means private means they are not government employees. Okay, in sentence only is there. Means private persons. Who will private persons means the government. Every year the government will appoint a chartered accountant for the purpose of to know what the profit, what's the loss. Okay, they will appoint for the purpose of to know what's the profit, what's the loss. They will see why they are appointing accounting and auditing process. Who will do is chartered account for every year. Chartered account they will get what's the profit, what's the loss, and how to have to increase the profit and suggestions. Everything they will give. When means in year ending. Year ending, they will give the report. Okay. Why they are auditing and accounting process? Why they will do means to know the what's the profit and what's the loss. And last one it is here they will not appoint civil servants. The employees are not civil servants. Why means civil servants means it is the government will appoint the employees. They will give the appointment job. Means civil servants means example police, soldiers, police and doctor and police, doctor and police, doctor, soldiers, these are the civil servants. Here they will not give appointment letter for government. Means for in these government companies they will not give appointment letter. Means the government doctor, okay, the government doctor they will appoint already. The police also they will give the appointment for that police also. But here for employees in that organization they will not give appointment. Okay, they will not appoint like private employees how they will work, like that also they will go. Only they will give the appointment for manager and director and supervisor, and remaining employees will private employees only. If they want to change, if they want to leave that organization, maybe they can leave that organization. If the government means that is permanent, here they will not give that facilities. Just they will go, that's it. Means they are not civil servants. If they want to go, if they want to go out of the organization means they can go. If the government means they can't go. Why? The permanent, already they permanent means already the appointment is there. But here there is no appointment in that, especially in the organization only. The government in all sectors they will give the permanent, means permanent appointment. But in organization they will not give. Why means their workers is there, workers, employees. If they will give permanent means it's more costly. That's why they will not give permanent appointment for the employees in that organization. They will give the appointment for only police, doctors, soldiers. I think all of you know this one. But they will not give for the employees here. If they want to leave the organization, they can leave the organization. If they want to join the organization, they can join. That's it. Here there is no permanent here. Okay? Already I explained you. It is established about the Company Act, and it is have own legal entities. Means rules, regulations, responsibilities. Every organization have own rules, own regulations, responsibilities based on the company will run the business. Means annual report. Annual report we will prepare here the chartered accountant for the purpose of where they are going to present here the parliament. If they will get profit also they have to send to the government. Means parliament. Okay. And care means it is a capital whole or partly provided with the capital. Whole means it is totally government. Partly means both the government as well as private. The government it is managed by the director. Says the government director will manage. Who will select director means two types of is there. Two process. One it is the government will select the professionals. Otherwise voting power. And accounting and auditing process. Who will do means private sector. Who is the private sector means is chartered accountant. They will every year the government will appoint the one chartered accountant for the purpose of to know the what's the profit, what's the loss. They have to know. That's why Okay, and we completed features of the government company, and next class we will see what are the advantages